Students, today we are going to take the more information about the short run and the long run analysis of production. Students, Professor Alfred Marshall introduced the element of time in production concept. According to the Alfred Marshall, time period can be divided into two. First one, short run period, and second one, long run period. Then, what is a short run period? Short run period means it is time period in which some factors of production cannot be varied or cannot be changed. See here, short run period means it is a time period. In this period, we cannot be change the some factors of the production. Factors of the production means land, labor, capital, organization. Means we cannot be change these factors of the production. Why? Because time is short. So during the period, the firm will have fixed and variable factor. Fixed factor means the factor that remains fixed is called fixed factor, and variable factor means the factor which firm can vary, means the firm can change according to the time is called the variable factors. Means in this period at least one of the factor, it may be land or it may be capital, cannot be varied. Means we cannot be changed in the land and the capital. Why? Because there is a short period and therefore it remain fixed factor. And in order to vary, means to change the output level, the firm can vary only the other factors. See here, if the firm wanted to maybe increase the output level, then firm can only change only the factor, that is unskilled labor, raw material, etc. Then what is long period? Long period means it is time period in which all factors of the production can be varied. See here, it is a time period. In this period, the firm will be change all the factors of the production. Means in this period, a firm, in order to produce the different levels of the output, maybe vary both inputs simultaneously. Here, the producer has a sufficient time to change in every factor of production. See here, in the long run period, if the firm wanted to produce the different level of the output, then firm maybe changes the factors of the production. Means the firm may be changed in the land, labor, capital and organization. Why? Because there is a sufficient time to change in the every factors of the production. So the production in the long period is made a larger scale. Why? Because there is a sufficient time to change in the every factors of the production. So students, this is all about the short run and the long run period. Thank you.